In case you're new to this channel, my name is Hamad Benaicha. I'm the founder of Anduit.ca. In this channel, I'll talk about MacBooks repairs, everything to do with MacBooks. I'm located in Toronto, Canada, downtown next to the CN Tower, and I have been in the business for over 20 years. I'm also an Apple certified technician, and I only fix MacBooks, nothing else. So if you haven't done it yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Well, hi guys, un petit bonjour, un petit coucou à nos amis francophones. Today we are working on a MacBook Pro model A1708, where when you tilt the screen, the LCD goes black. So let me see if I can show you what I mean. Okay, so as you can see, the MacBook is on. You can see here the password, asking for the password. So I put this sticker to protect the ID of the user. And if I tilt all the way, it goes black. Okay, so let me show you if I can do it one more time. Okay, here you go. Okay, now sometimes the screen is completely black, or sometimes you would see dots over here at the bottom of the screen. That's exactly the same problem. It's related. Okay, and let me show you what's causing the problem, so give you a better understanding. So this is basically the same screen. Okay, let me throw this away. So the problem is with this cable over here. That's the backlight cable. Okay, it eventually break or crack over here from rubbing over here at the edges. Okay, so this is connected here like it is on here. This is the camera cable. So, and from opening and closing the lid, opening and closing the lid, eventually this cable will crack. Okay, and then you end up with it. You end up with this problem. The good news, it's 100% fixable, and that's also applied to a 15-inch also. Okay, so this is a 13-inch, 15-inch. So if you have a 13 or 15-inch, it's exactly the same problem. Okay, so they look exactly the same. You see, except for the size. Okay. The problem, as I said, is fixable. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna fix this one. Okay, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit because it takes a while to do. But I will show you the end results, and I will show you this MacBook fully functioning. Well, hi guys, I'm back. So the job is finished. Let me show you what I did. You can see over here I had to jump 7 wires. Okay, and that should solve the problem. I've done so many now, so very familiar to the issue. So we're gonna test it together. And then we put the battery back in. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna plug it to power. Okay. You should see the Apple logo coming up here soon. There you go. Okay. Okay, now let's close that screen again. As earlier, as you remember, if I go past this angle, it will go. If I go all the way, no more problem. Okay, there you go. Problem resolved. Okay, so if you have a similar issue, and if you're located in Canada, keep watching. The answer is coming up. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. The process is very easy. Whether you're located in Toronto or anywhere in Canada, just visit Anduit.ca. Click here to get a quote, or you can also click on the menu here, get a free quote. It's the same link. There is 9 different categories, so try to select the one that best apply to you. In this example, I'm just going to click on my screen is black, and let's assume my screen goes black when I tilt it. So you can either get a free quote online, or you can also call if you prefer. For this example, I'm just going to click on get a free quote, fill up the form, and just click on submit form. When you click on submit form, this is what I receive on my end. And as you can see, we do receive a lot of requests. Actually, 90% of our business is shipped to us now from all over Canada. So you can rest assured that we know what we're doing. So I read it, analyze it, and then I send an email with a quote with all the options to the client. And if you decide to ship it, you just click here to select your shipping option, and then you'll receive a shipping label. As soon as your MacBook is fixed, you will receive an email with pictures showing your MacBook repaired, your invoice, and how to proceed with the payment by credit card. As soon as the payment is made, we'll send it back to you. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to receiving your MacBook. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button below to let me know. Share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.